Dear students, based on the reviews and feedbacks I got from the last few hours after your examination, we are preparing this video. Just want to convey a few things with you. And one thing about the examination, as expected, it was well balanced. And most of the questions, we cannot expect all the questions easy, but there were a few questions that we worked out, we practiced. And the last 10 videos that we prepared based on the expected questions. The only difference in examination, the board paper was, already they have given a blueprint of what type of questions will be asked for the board exam, and the weightage of marks was given to us. But there was slight difference in that. But overall, the questions seemed to be, certain questions were tricky, but most of the questions were relatively simple, and we practiced such questions in the videos. And the last 10 videos itself, as I told you in the intro video, that you will be getting not less than 60 marks if you thoroughly watch the videos and practice the questions, and if you are able to memorize the questions, and if you give the steps for the questions. When the question it's difficult, we can connect the question with the respective chapter and can bring in all those things that's relevant with that question. And I was constantly reminding you one thing about the MCQ section. I got the feedback from the students related to this. Few of the MCQ questions were a bit lengthy, and at the same time, few questions were easy. So these things keeping in mind, we can conclude one thing. So our attempt was successful. So Chance Academy was able to bring in the questions that's expected for the CBSE board exam. We shared few questions with you. If you are able to practice those questions, I'm sure that those students who followed this video will be able to score good marks for the CBSE board. And those students who are not good in maths, even they can manage to get a minimum of 50 based on the videos that we prepared for this board exam. Even if that exam was a little bit tough, you'll be getting good marks based on the valuation part. So normally when the examinations are tough, we'll be expecting the valuations will be liberal. So from the teachers, like I told you in the first video itself, so these questions that we prepared was based on the discussions with teachers who've been working in reputed institutions. And now we are expecting that since we have prepared well for the exam and your preparation was enough, and you'll be able to get good marks. Don't get overtensed with the type of questions you got and the way that you wrote the examinations. So it's just one part of it. So there are a few more things remaining. So don't worry, you will be getting good marks for the board exam for sure.